ADV and off-road riders, this helmet bag is made for you. Presenting the brand new ViaTerra ADV Helmet Bag, designed to match the shape and proportions of adventure and off-road helmets with a beak. This bag finally provides an ideal way to store or carry your helmet. The unique design makes it possible to store your ADV helmet without removing the beak, while keeping the bag more compact and still providing additional protection to the beak with wraparound foam protection. The inside of the bag is spacious and has a unique lining to prevent scratches, a tried and tested method that you would have also seen on the original ViaTerra helmet bag. This bag has a stash zipper that is accessible from the bottom and that you can access to add or remove things without needing to remove your helmet. All the fittings used on the bag are of premium quality, including original YKK zippers all around. The bag has a large grab handle and also comes with two additional carrying options: backpack straps and a shoulder strap. Overall, it's the perfect balance between functionality, protection and convenience.